Welcome to the back room. This is where future-ready accounting support is built. Right here in Clark, Pampanga, Philippines. We're in one of the most established business districts in Clark, built to global standards and designed for serious, growth-focused companies. Security is non-negotiable for us and for our partners. Access to the building in every key area is controlled through biometric systems. Only authorized team members can enter specific zones. For accounting firms, this means peace of mind. Your data, your processes, and your clients are handled in a secure, structured environment. This is our production floor. It's designed for focus, structure, and collaboration. The layout encourages productivity while making it easy for teams to work together when needed. And when someone needs space, whether it's a private discussion, focused work, or simply a quiet coffee, our breakout rooms give that flexibility without disrupting the flow of the floor. Beyond our production areas, we have fully equipped meeting and conference rooms for confidential discussions, client calls, audits, and strategic collaboration. Whether it's an audit discussion, a year-end review, or a planning session, these rooms allows our teams to engage with professionalism and discretion. Our pantry and common spaces give our team a room to recharge. We also have an on-site clinic to support health and well-being. We also have dedicated massage room because recovery, focus, and performance go hand in hand. When people feel supported, they show up at their best. Being in Clark also means convenience. We're close to transport hubs, major roads, restaurants, banks, and essential services. Daily life here is simple and accessible. For accounting firms, this environment supports accuracy, compliance, focus, and accountability. It allows us to consistently deliver high standards for every client. At the back room, we talk about freedom. Freedom to grow meaningful careers, freedom for our partners to focus on what we do best, while we support them from here. When you partner with the back room, you're not just accessing talent. You're entering a secure, professional, future-ready environment where your people and your business are supported every step of the way. The future of accounting support is here. Welcome to the back room.